how to log in to Telegram on iPhone or iOS device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in on Telegram or how you can log into your account on Telegram Messenger on iPhone. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick with this video. First things first, you want to simply open up your Telegram and you should get a space like this where it'll ask you for your phone number. Now by tapping on the country here, you will be able to choose the region that you are on, and you want to change your region from here, or you can either search it from the search bar as well. Now here I've chosen my country here, as you can see, and it has given me my country code. You want to simply enter in your phone number here. Once you enter in your phone number, you can either choose to sync contacts, enable or disable this. Now next thing what you want to do is, once you enter in your phone number, you want to simply tap on continue. Now once you tap on continue there, what will happen is it'll send you a confirmation code to your phone number. You want to simply enter in your confirmation code here, or you have to allow permission to auto read the messages, and once you do so, you'll be logged into your account immediately. So this way you can log in to Telegram on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.